Some Goomba once told me King Koopa's gonna own me. My plunger's still locked up in the woodshed. I was feeling kind of down till my brother came around with that cool-looking L on his forehead. Well, he said, hey brother, we forgot each other. Bowser's just a jerk who never had a mother. I know your plunder's locked up in that shack, so we'll knock down the door and get it back. Take up a stand and follow me. Ash just called in, he needs a buddy. His toilet is clogged up again, and we should go help out our friend. Hey now, you're a plumber, get your plunger, go plunge.